or just caught in the moment. It's been love too long. Knew I was wrong to let you down again. Introducing you to all my friends, and I was playing second guessing games, and out of my control, talking about how you like to take my name, when I was just looking for someone to hold. Were we really broken, or just caught in the moment? And I still think that I could love you, even though I'm not supposed to. And after everything we've been through, nah, no, I still think that I could love you. I still think that I could love you, no. And I still think that I could. You tried to talk, I just shut off, 'cause I was scared of love. At least I thought I was. Were we really broken, or just caught in the moment? I still think that I could love you, even though I'm not supposed to. And after everything we've been through, nah, no, I still think that I could love you. I still think that I could love you, nah, and I still think that I could. I still think that I could. Were we really broken, or just caught in the moment? Or just caught in the moment?